You know, fruit trees are also very beautiful in the springtime, and most people don't think of them for the ornamental garden. Most people think of fruit trees as sort of in the orchard, but you can certainly include them in your garden, as part of your landscape. Here's a beautiful plum behind me blooming. A traditional plum, you can see the picture. And it is wonderful. Beautiful smell. A fruity sweet smell. And of course, the apples. All kinds of apple trees. And we can talk more and more and more about all these different varieties. It's so wonderful to be in amongst these blooms. We can pretend we're walking through a forest of apple trees. And apples can be, by the way, apples can be trained in many ways. You can train them against a wall, you can train them in a columnar shape. There's so many ways that you can train them to make them smaller, in a smaller space. And here is a white redbud tree, Cercis canadensis vanilla twist. A little bit unusual. So, oh, and what do we have here? I think we have a tulip tree. Let me see what this is. Let's see how we are doing here. No. It's that yellow magnolia that I showed you earlier. Now we know the name, yellow bird. Magnolia yellow bird. It's really beautiful, and you know what? It does make me think of yellow birds. Oh, you know, in this nursery we have something very special. We have very special people here who love gardens, who love horticulture, and are doing some wonderful things. And this, my friends, is a southern magnolia tree, which is carefully nursed to protect it from our cold climate. But for those of you who live in the south, who live with these trees, who are privileged to live with them, here we have here in freezing Canada, in this nursery, a southern magnolia tree, which is wonderfully evergreen where it happens to grow. So those are a few beautiful plants that we covered today. So please join us and have a wonderful day.